Alright, so we are at 3010 Windjammer. We have done a repair on this sewer line. We are just scoping now to make sure everything looks alright. Don't pay any attention to the distance on this. This is a different camera than I originally used, and the distance on this one is not correct. Scope it all the way out to the city sewer. Right in here, I believe, is where we did the repair. Right here. Okay, so there's the start of our repair. And you can see that is perfectly flush on the attachment. And you can see that piece of rubber or whatever that was is totally gone. Everything looks good. There's our city sewer. The distance on the line is obviously not 69 feet. It's more like 90 or 100. I can't remember which. But as you can see, we just scoped it all the way from the clean out to the city sewer. Everything looks great now.